Hey, what's up, free coin holders? This time free coin is completely fails now. The price is goes down, my friend. The change occur is a negative. What a very terrible condition, my friend, this time about the free coin. So what's the prediction is very important, my friends, to which time they starting moving upward. In upcoming time they also moving upward, or now they fails down. You can see it completely in the graph, every holder and completely and the loss if they're moving at this time. So definitely the prediction is going to be very important. If you can see, my friend, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. Before I get started this video, I request you sorry to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type more informative latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribe our YouTube channel. Alright, as you can see, my friend, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen and they completely fell us down. The change occur is a negative. You can see here minus 25.72%. They fell us down. So what's the reason, my friends, do they fail us down? You can see here the price is also decreased very fastly. So the main reason, my friend, is that too of free coin is fails down, especially the short time investors. They starting selling. So after they are starting selling, then definitely, my friends, they're moving very fastly downward. They are big dumps, my friend. You can see here as a big dump. The big dump reason is absolutely this, my friends. So this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency fails down in the start of month. So free coin holder, kindly don't see this fail. I hope, my friend, after this short fails they also take a good jump, because every cryptocurrency is moving at this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a good jump. So kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, after this fails they also take a good jump, because this is short fails, my friend. So I hope after this fails they move upward like a rocket. So wait for a good time, holders. Wait for the end of this month, just and only for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.